Good evening, everyone. I hope that you are enjoying watching your golden bead frame lesson. This is a video on how to use an online tool, and I will attach the link to the golden bead frame that I'm sharing with you. There are a couple of different online golden bead frames, but this is the one that I'm choosing to share with you, but there are other options as well. So I'm going to share my screen, and we're going to go to this website called virtualmontessorimaterials.com/bead frame. Because that's what we're working with. This is the golden bead frame. Sometimes it's called the flat bead frame. So just like in my example that I shared with you in the lesson, you have your multiplicand down here on the bottom line. Your multiplier goes along the side over here, just like when we do the checkerboard. And our simple family, our units, tens, and hundreds are here. And then our thousand family, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000 are here in the middle. And then the million, 10 million, and 100 million are here in the black. So it's a combination material between our large bead frame and the checkerboard. And so let's do an example together. I'm going to put 3 as our multiplier, and I'm going to multiply 4, 3, 2. Okay, 234 times 3. 234 times 3. Now, we're multiplying this first one, a unit times a unit. It's going to go on this bar right here. 4 times 3, I can put 1, 2, 3, 4 one time. 1, 2, 3, 4 2 times. And then I've got 1, 2. I need to make a trade. Put those all back. And 3, 4. That's how I did it. Maybe you already knew that 4 times 3 was 12. 1, 10, and 2 units. You can also use your finger chart to help you with this if you need to. Okay, now we're going to be in our tens. 3 groups of 3. 3 times 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, our 10 bar is all full. So I'm going to make my trade. Okay, now I'm doing 2 times 3. I need 3 groups of 2. 1, 2, 3. And there's my answer. My answer is 702. Ta-da! I love golden bead frame. It's so much fun. Okay, I'm going to clear the board and put my beads back up at the top. Okay, let's do another one. This time, let's do 6, 3, 5. 536 times 2. 536 times 2. So I have 6, and I need to take 6 2 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make my trade. 5, 6. You might have known that 6 times 2, 2 groups of 6 is 12. There it is. Okay, 3 times 2, 3 times 2. 3, 2 times. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 times 2 is 6. Now we've got 5 times 2. 5 times 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 once. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 twice. Oh, 5 times 2 is 10. Make my trade. There's my answer. 536 times 2 is 1,072. Just like that. Okay, I'm going to do a 2-digit example because you're also going to do that this week. I am going to multiply. I'm going to multiply 123 times 24. So remember, when we do this with the material, we can turn it upside down. I'm going to just move it off the board so we're not looking at that one right there. We're looking at our 4. 3 times 4, or 4 groups of 3. 4 times 3, I know that one. It's 12. So there's my 12. Now I have got 2 4 times. 4 groups of 2. 4 times 2 is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now 1 times 4. 4 groups of 1. 4 times 1 is 4. Okay, now we've done our unit. So I'm going to put my 10 back in there. And I'm going to put my unit. I'm just going to put it on the line so that we know not to start here. So that's my unit. And the 10 starts on the 10 line. And we have to move our numbers down. This is the only tricky part about doing this, is you have to move your numbers down yourself. There it is. We're starting on the 10 wire because we're starting with the 10. 3 times 2. 3 times 2 is 6. There's 1. Make a trade. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1 times 2. 1 times 2 is 2. Okay. Now we have our numbers. I'm going to put these back over. 123 times 24 gives me 2,952. See how quick and easy that is? The golden bead frame is so useful as a tool. It's so much fun to use. I hope you enjoyed using it as well. I can't wait to see your follow-up. Make sure you're writing in your journal. You're writing the equations you've done, just like my example down below. Make sure you're not copying my examples and that you're doing 5 of your own. You're going to do 5 single digits, and then after you watch the second video, you're going to watch 5 double digits. Not watch them. You're going to do them. You're going to do 5 single digits right now, and then after your next lesson, you'll do 5 double digits. Okay. Thank you, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. I can't wait to see your page later. Have a great night. Bye-bye.